Hello YouTube, I'm working on this GE washing machine, and what happened was the user interface was dead, and GE tech support, they showed me where to check the voltage going to the user interface. This board's in behind or underneath the panel, about that position. Anyway, if you know what terminals to test, you can check your voltage going to your user interface. What happened was I got so distracted with all these connectors, I forgot the little air tube. And with the air tube off, you'll get a supply H2O air. And whenever these machines have water problems, they'll try to drain for 4 minutes. So if you can put it into diagnostic mode, I think you hold the start and turn it 180 degrees. That'll get it to clear out of that drain situation. So lots of fun working on these. To get this panel off, get the top off, you've got to pull the drawer out. There's 5 screws in there, and then you slide that over, and then you can get to the screws to the top. Not a little different than a lot of the other machines. But if you work on these and you forget to hook up your drain tube, air tube there, then you're going to get the supply H2O air. Hope that helps somebody. Bye.